Welcome to Zihuatanejo, Mexico, a hidden gem on the Pacific coast. Once a quiet fishing village, Zihuatanejo has kept its simple charm even as it's become a favorite escape. Here you can relax under the warm sun, listen to gentle waves, and leave the rush of daily life behind. Unlike its neighbor Ixtapa, Zihuatanejo feels authentic. Colorful streets, friendly faces, and a calm bay, perfect for swimming. The town is built around a beautiful curved bay where boats rest and the sun sets in spectacular fashion. Life moves slowly here. People stroll, not rush. The air is warm, tinged with sea salt, and the atmosphere is peaceful from the moment you arrive. Zihuatanejo isn't as famous as other Mexican destinations, but that's part of its magic. It's a place for travelers seeking real culture and quiet beauty. Whether you're walking the beach, tasting fresh fish, or watching the sunset, you'll find tranquility. The town's small streets and colorful buildings invite you to explore at your own pace. Zihuatanejo is a place to make memories, not just take photos. It's a destination that touches your heart and lets you slow down. Here, you can truly be present and enjoy the simple things in life. The bay's calm waters and friendly locals make it feel like home. It's not just a vacation spot, it's a tranquil paradise waiting to be discovered. If you're looking for authenticity, you'll find it here. Zihuatanejo offers a unique blend of natural beauty and genuine culture. Let's explore this wonderful place together. Your journey to peace and beauty starts now. To understand Zihuatanejo, you have to see it from above. Imagine standing on a hillside, looking down at the bay, a perfect blue smile surrounded by lush green hills. The water shifts from deep blue to turquoise near the shore, sparkling in the sunlight. Small fishing boats and sailboats dot the calm surface, creating a living postcard. Golden beaches curve between the hills and the sea, protected from the ocean's waves by the bay's unique shape. This natural shelter keeps the water gentle, like a giant swimming pool. From above, you see the town's red-tiled roofs and winding streets hugging the shoreline. The main pier stretches into the bay, a hub of daily life. Everything feels organized, peaceful, and inviting. The view changes with the day, calm and glassy in the morning, shimmering with light in the afternoon. The hills embrace the bay, making it feel safe and secluded. From this vantage point, you appreciate how the town and nature blend seamlessly. The layout is simple, yet every detail adds to the charm. Zihuatanejo's beauty is best understood from this high perspective. It's a place where land, sea, and sky come together in harmony. The protected bay is the heart of the town, shaping its character and daily life. Seeing Zihuatanejo from above is the perfect way to begin your journey. It sets the stage for everything you'll experience here. The view is unforgettable, a true introduction to the magic of this place. Let's head down and explore the town itself. Now, let's wander through Zihuatanejo's heart, El Centro. Cobblestone streets wind through the town, lined with colorful buildings and blooming flowers. Every corner offers a surprise, a shop with handmade crafts, a cozy cafe, or a friendly face. The waterfront, called Paseo del Pescador, is perfect for a morning or evening stroll. On one side, calm bay waters and bobbing boats. On the other, small restaurants and shops. The atmosphere is relaxed. No towering hotels, just a genuine small-town vibe. Most buildings are only 1 or 2 stories, painted in bright, cheerful colors. Flowers spill from balconies, adding to the town's quiet beauty. Zihuatanejo feels safe and welcoming, like a home away from home. You can walk everywhere, main square to waterfront, in minutes. The slow pace is contagious. Soon, you'll find yourself moving at the town's gentle rhythm. People stop to chat, admire the view, or watch fishermen at work. There are no big attractions, just the simple joy of daily life by the sea. The town's charm is in its details: laughter in the square, the scent of fresh tortillas, the sound of waves nearby. It's easy to get lost in the moment here. Zihuatanejo invites you to slow down and savor every step. The real magic is in the everyday moments. This is a place where you can truly unwind. Let's discover the beaches that make Zihuatanejo so special. Each one is a world of its own. Zihuatanejo's beaches each have their own personality. Playa La Ropa is long, wide, and perfect for families. Soft sand, calm water, and a story of silt cargo washing ashore. You can wade out far before it gets deep, making it ideal for swimming and relaxing. Playa Las Gatas is smaller and more secluded, reached by a rocky path or water taxi. Protected by a rocky reef, its clear, gentle waters are perfect for snorkeling among colorful fish. Then there's Playa El Palmar in nearby Ixtapa, a long, straight beach with powerful waves and tall palms. It's lined with big hotels and buzzing with activity, a sharp contrast to Zihuatanejo's quiet charm. Each beach offers a different mood. La Ropa for relaxation, Las Gatas for underwater adventure, El Palmar for action. At La Ropa, relax under a palapa and sip a cool drink. At Las Gatas, explore the reef with a snorkel. At El Palmar, watch the Pacific's waves crash ashore. Zihuatanejo gives you the freedom to choose your perfect beach day. Whether you want peace or excitement, you'll find it here. The variety makes every visit unique. There's a beach for every mood and every traveler. That's the beauty of Zihuatanejo's coastline. Now, let's see how the sea shapes daily life and food here. Zihuatanejo wakes with the fishermen at the municipal pier. Before sunrise, small boats called pangas head out to sea, continuing a tradition that connects the town to its roots. By mid-morning, the boats return, their catch glistening: tuna, mahi-mahi, red snapper. Locals and chefs gather to buy the freshest fish, keeping the town's food scene vibrant and authentic. The ocean's bounty is at the heart of Zihuatanejo's cuisine. Try tiritas de pescado, thin strips of fish marinated in lime, onions, and chili, a local twist on ceviche. Or savor pescado a la talla, red snapper grilled with spicy red and green sauces. From simple beach shacks to elegant restaurants, fresh seafood is everywhere. Eating here is about more than food. It's about tradition, community, and the sea. Every meal connects you to the rhythms of the town. The flavors are fresh, bold, and unforgettable. Sharing a meal by the water is a true Zihuatanejo experience. The town's fishing heritage is alive in every bite. It's a simple pleasure that defines life here. Let's see where you can stay to enjoy all this. Zihuatanejo has a place for everyone. Zihuatanejo welcomes every traveler, no matter the budget. Stay in a family-run hotel downtown for local charm and easy access to shops and restaurants. Prefer the beach? Choose a hillside bungalow or boutique hotel near Playa La Ropa or Playa Madera with stunning bay views. Many places have lush gardens and feel like private paradises. For luxury, there are elegant hotels with infinity pools and private terraces, always blending into the natural landscape. Even the high-end options focus on peace, privacy, and beauty, not flash. Whether you're a backpacker, a family, or a couple, you'll find the perfect spot. Rent a simple room, a cozy apartment, or a romantic suite. The variety of accommodations makes everyone feel at home. Zihuatanejo isn't just for one type of traveler, it's for anyone who loves beauty and tranquility. The welcoming spirit is part of what makes this town special. Wherever you stay, you're never far from the sea. Your home in Zihuatanejo is waiting. Now, let's end the day with something unforgettable. As the sun sets, Zihuatanejo transforms. The sky glows with orange, pink, and purple, reflecting on the calm bay. Sit on the beach or at a waterfront cafe and watch nature's nightly show. Or take a sunset cruise for a view of the sun dipping behind the hills and the town lighting up. The sunset is more than a view. It's a moment of peace and gratitude. The day slows, boats return, and everyone pauses to watch the sky. It's a simple, powerful ritual that stays with you long after you leave. Zihuatanejo is about these moments, warm days, gentle seas, and unforgettable sunsets. It's not a place for wild parties, but for reconnecting with nature and yourself. Here, the best things in life are simple and beautiful. Walk the cobblestone streets, swim in the bay, and let the sunset fill you with wonder. Zihuatanejo is a place to love, a place to remember. I hope you'll experience its magic for yourself. Until then, let the memory of its sunsets inspire you. Thank you for joining me in this tranquil paradise.